welcome back to the channel. Just gonna show my face on camera real quick so you know who's talking to you. I'm kind of camera shy. I don't really like talking on the camera, but today we're gonna go over some of the progress we've done up here. And this is our concrete layout. Basically, it shows where the rebar goes, the depth of the footings, and it calls out for a 24-inch 3/8 rebar every 24 inches, half-inch. You can see there how it's labeled, 4 inches from the bottom and 8 inches from the top. And then you can see how the building is going to be connected to the slab of concrete. Just want to kind of go over what we're doing up here. This is the garage area right here. You can see the footings are dug. We're going to pour that. It'll be the last thing we pour. But it is a 40 by 60 building, and the building I'm in right now, standing in, this is a 40 by 40, and the building we're getting ready to pour is a 40 by 34. And you can see the plumbing's been wrapped and we're ready to pour. I just kind of want to show you the footings before we pour concrete. We'll be doing that tomorrow. And this is right before we do the pre-treat. Here in Arizona, you treat the ground for termites because we have subterranean termites here, and you want to make sure they don't get up in the wood. I know this is a metal building, but the interior is probably going to be framed out in wood unless we decide it's more efficient to do steel. Just kind of want to walk through it and show you how everything's done. It may not be perfect. Maybe a few little things that may need to be finished up for in the morning to pour, but it's been inspected and passed inspection, and kind of give you an idea of what we do to kind of wrap this plumbing up before we pour for the showers and the tubs and things like that. That right there is my makeshift water truck that I made. I borrowed the water truck that I had, and so when I found that tank, it was laying around the farm, and went down to Harbor Freight and bought a pump, and it's a 2-inch pump, and man, it really pumps out the water. So we don't have a well yet, which we're working on. We should have that, I think, in about a month. We'll be starting to dig that, and we'll get a little video on that. But I just kind of wanted to show you what's going on around here. And these are the views that we have here from this lot, which is kind of nice. You can see the Grand Mountains there. Nice view of that. A lot of farm ground around here. A lot of good people live here. It's fun to be back. And that's it for this video. I hope you liked it and it's informative to you, and we make something that's going to be fun for everyone to watch. And if you decide to do something like this here in the valley or anywhere, we're going to go over everything hopefully that you might need. If you have any questions or whatever, comment below, and we'll try to get to them as soon as we can. But we sure appreciate you watching. We'll talk to you next time.